The home detox box arrives straight to your door. It has all the ingredients that you need to do a 3-day fast and a colon cleanse. Inside this booklet, you have a timetable, a shopping list, what's going to happen inside your body, how you can enhance your detox for yourself when you're doing it at home. There's no need to go to an expensive detox in India or Goa. You can do it all for yourself at home, and this is all explained for you inside: what you need to eat, when you need to eat, what's going on inside your body, and what happens when you go beyond the detox. What kind of thing can you be doing? I've also written a couple of books about how to help you pre-detox and after the detox. You also have the high fiber shake powder, which is in here, which you do for the 3-day fasts. This allows you never to be hungry when you're fasting, and there's so many benefits for when you're doing a fast and a detox and a cleanse. You also have enzymes, digestive enzymes, which help release all the debris that's been stored inside your cells and inside your digestion for the last 10 or 20 years. You also have probiotics to put all the good bacteria into your body, and then learn afterwards how you can sustain that and look after your gut in future. There is also an enema bag. Now, the enema is really, really important to help flush out as much of the toxins and as much of the debris as you can while you're detoxing during the week. You will never have felt so clean on the inside or the outside. The detox box is really a spring cleaning you from the inside out. It also helps you with your mind, your body, and your spirit to get back connected into a body that you absolutely love.